widespread in the open forest and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, our show has officially started. So let's give a round of applause for our flag raising bird bandit. Start this friendly battle, I shall divide you guys into two groups. The boys will cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And the girls will cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul.
Go Azul! Go Azul!
Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! The ball for the table, leading by ball for the first ball. Blue for the second, for the last ball. Where is the game? That's alright, Azul, and I think Azul deserves a second race. And let's do it with a ring race. So the mechanic of this game, if the first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. Now that is a ring race. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! The ball will take the leading by blue in his first ring, followed by second. Oh, hey, what is this? Azul picks up 3 rings at the same time.
Bright eye!
So trainer Dre, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time, what can you say?
Bright
What was that,
eye!
Trainer Irvin? You guys cheated!
Is it true that you cheat?
No, it didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Oh, so is it true that the girls are wiser than the boys? Okay, let's give a round of applause for blue and azul. Now this time guys, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Again, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Yes sir. So as you can see, most of our birds are parrots. That is because parrots are intelligent, they're smart. Sir, no matter what happened, please do not try to move or swing your arm, okay? Now let's meet our money bird, Blue. Our money bird, Blue, can detect if the money is fake or not. So Blue flies over and gets the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table and guess what? Blue wants to donate your money. Answer, I have a question for you. Are you okay that Blue donated the money? Since you're okay, sir, let's do a second round. A little bit higher. 500 pesos this time. We are just joking, sir. It is all part of the show. We will return your money, but first, Blue wants to have a photo opportunity with you. So follow Trainer Dre's instruction. Okay, smile and give us your best pose together with our money bird, Blue. You can follow the photographer, sir. He can give you a free photo album. So let's give a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird, Blue. Now this time, we are going to show you. So that right there is bandit, this is red, and that is golden. Small red feathers. Their tail and wing feathers are blue and green. And they're also the second largest macaw, next to the hyacinth macaw. That is why they call the genital giants of the parrot family. No, bandit's scientific name is Arachnorophilus. Say hi to everyone, bandit. Hi. How was business? Very good, bandit. Next right there is our blue and gold macaw, Boogie. Now those birds have a solid shade of blue on their back and a yellowish belly and underside wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. three bully gold macaws. Earlier, that was Blue and Azul in the basketball game. Now, Goldie will have her own segment later. Now, lastly, here is our Galactus parrot red. Now, the Galactus parrot are very unusual in that our family. That's because of the extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish whether it's a male or a female Galactus parrot. So, red right here is a female Galactus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now, as of the male, they have a bright green colored feathers. So, a Galactus parrot's scientific name is Galactus ovacus. Now, guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning that they can only have one partner for their entire lifetime? Sana all.
Sana all.
So let's talk about our parrots' lifespan. Our Galactus parrot red right here can live up. Now parrots are intelligent and perceptive creatures. That is why we always continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now who knows this game? It is what you call the shape box puzzle. Do you still remember playing this when you're still a kid? Now let's call in Bandit once again, and she is going to show us how to put the shape back to its correct slot. Let's go, Bandit. So as you can see, parrots are intelligent. They can remember even the smallest and slightest detail. They use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. They typically feed on fruits, seeds, nuts, minerals, and salts along the riverbank. There you go, intelligent, right? So let's give her an applause for Green Macaw Bandit. So guys, if you believe Goldie can find a hidden object for us, now let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie.
Okay, Goldie found a hidden object for us, please. Where could it be? Goldie's searching, scanning the cup. There you go, she found it. So let's give her an applause for psychic bird, Goldie. Nigel and Snow. So this is Tweety, that is Snow, and Nigel. Okay, let's start. Now here we place our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforest. Now these birds are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive sulfur yellow crest. So this is their crest. And a yellowish underside wings and tails. Tweety scientific name is Kakatua gambita. Now up next right there is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, or also known as the white cockatoos or the great white crested cockatoos. That is because of the woolly white crest that races like an umbrella. So Nigel said is Kakatua gambita. So if you're going to compare Tweety and Nigel, you can clearly see the difference between the two. Tweety right here has a sulfur yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white crest. Now lastly, about there is our Moluccan cactus snow. Now those birds are endemic in the surrounding archipelago of eastern Indonesia. And they're also called the salmon-crested cockatoos. And that is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. And they're also called the largest among the white cockatooan species. Now snow's scientific name is Kakatua marocensis. So in general, cockatoos raise their crest as a sign of communication or expressing their mood, whether they're happy, afraid, or during mating with the other cockatoos. And as you can clearly hear, cockatoos are very loud. It is because they can mimic any sound. It is what you call the mimicry behavior. So let's talk about our cockatoos' lifespan. Tweety and Nigel, they can live up to 30 to 40 years old. While our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, she can live up to 70 years old. for us. But before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Call in our great mathematician, Snow. And there you go, Snow. So Snow, our equation is 11 plus 18. So nag-study pa si Snow, guys. Okay, Snow, ready? Okay, Snow, answer the equation for us. So Snow grabs the first number 9. So guys, is the first number correct?
Yes!
Okay, good start, Snow. Now continue your answer. Oops, nakipog pa si Snow, guys.
Nag-study was yan.
Okay, Snow. So once again, 11 plus 18. And there you go. She answered correctly. 11 plus 18 is equal to 29. So let's give a round of applause for our math wizard, Snow. We have a Brahmini kite and a Philippine serpent eagle. Now, before we call in our eagles, can we please settle down and avoid reaching or grabbing the birds? Again, please settle down and avoid reaching or grabbing the birds. And kindly please stay clear of these middle stairs. Okay, please settle down. Thank you.
Open ko na lang wala.
Okay, first up, let's call in our Brahmini Kingdom. There you go, our Brahmini or also known as Madagascar Indus, Lawis, or Batun in Bisaya. Now, these eagles can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. And they can also be found here in the Philippines. They are also called the red-backed sea eagle. So if familiar running an eagle is because muna siya ang nasa logo ni Kuya Kim sa show na matang lawi. Let's give a round of applause for our Brahmini Kingdom. Now, in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males. Up next, let's call in our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready? Philippine serpent eagle, or also known as Pilornis holospilus. Now these eagles can be found in the major islands of the Philippines, and they are usually found in open forest and wetlands. Now this eagle can be distinguished by their well-defined spots, the underpart wings and belly. And as you can see, these eagles have a yellow face and keen, big eyes. They are called serpent eagle because they usually eat smaller rodents, reptiles, and snakes. So as you can see, our trainers are wearing a gloves. It is what you call the falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect their skin from the sharp talons and beaks of our eagles. So ditoyok pa ang pigeons, guys. Look to your right. And there you go, homing pigeons. Now, homing pigeons have a tourist section. Pigeons can fly up to 100 miles per hour. Now, sadly, a lot of animals are struggling due to pollution and improper waste management. That is why we always do keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastic, and recycle everything we can. See if Madeline and our trainer can do it, and so can we. Rufus Hornbill Tok. And once again, this is me, Jael, your host for this afternoon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.